I am back with my third year students. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Saravanan.
I'm Manika.
And Soumya.
So, we are going to discuss a major problem that happened in Jammu and Kashmir in 2024. The problem statement is based on rice milling. As we all know, rice is staple food. We have many byproducts in rice. So generally, they are facing problems in rice milling. In order to like, they don't have skilled labor and inefficiency of milling process, and also they have improper power shutdowns. So today my students are going to solve their problem. Can we start?
So, introduction. Let me say about the introduction of this. So, rice milling is essential to the agricultural economy in Jammu district. So, transforming harvested paddy into consumable rice and supporting local trade and employment. So, despite its importance, milling struggle with multiple manageable and operations challenges that impact the efficiency, probability, and sustainability. So the study methodology small scale or in the large scale in Jammu district captured constant across operational scales, primary data with collector, structure interviews with owner, workers focusing on such power sources.
Okay, key findings. The study found a major problem faced by owners, lack of working capital. The biggest issue is getting enough money on bank to buy paddy and rice milling. Around 70% of owners face this problem. So especially big millers, power cuts. Frequency power cut reduce protection by up to 25%. This problem is worse of mill outside industrial areas. Lack of skilled labor. So about 60% of owners find it hard to get and keep skilled workers. Old machinery. Many mills use the old machinery that break down often and need regular repairs. Paddy and transport costs. High and changing price of paddy and transportations are adding extra pressure, especially on small mills.
Statistical analysis. Ranking techniques provide an objective assessment of critical constraints, while chi-square tests confine the ranking patterns for parameters. Discussions. The student reveals a pattern final considerations. Infrastructure differences are more determined to the rice milling operators in Jammu Kashmir. Labor shortage and outlet machinery. Further, manufacturing inefficiency while regulating complexity and market rates. Variability poses ongoing financial risks. Recommendations. Improvement of financial access. Government support, better trading facilities and sustainable for working capital. Power infrastructure upgrades. Dedicated electrical departments, investment in backup systems, skill development programs, training and worker relations, policies and regulating restrictions, GST communication simplifies and awareness of worksheets, modification in activities, support for the upgrading milling and technologies, supply chain challenges, long-term contract, reliable transportation arrangement. Conclusions. This case study emphasizes the urgent need to solve the financial, infrastructure and regulatory challenges faced by rice milling in Jammu and Kashmir. Targeted and technological updates and improve the policy frameworks are virtual for increasing efficiency, reduce the cost and total sustainability to the rice milling sectors.
Okay. Thank you students for your valuable suggestion. As we all know, in daily basis we are consuming rice, right? So it is our responsibility as we are agriculture engineers. So it is our main responsibility to overcome these problems to help the society. So thank you for watching.